What sets theft, shoplifting, burglary, and robbery apart from each other? Attorney Jared Allen explains that shoplifting is typically restricted to taking merchandise from an establishment without permission. The common stealing merchandise from stores, stealing food from a grocery store, typically comes under shoplifting. Shoplifting can extend to what is called organized retail theft. If you are coordinating shoplifting with other individuals, that can raise a misdemeanor shoplifting offense to a felony organized retail theft. If you are using some type of artifice, an artifice under the law would be like a bag or a shopping cart or something to gather merchandise to remove them from the store. That can be cause for an organized retail theft charge, which is a felony as well. Those are the things that fall under the shoplifting banner. Burglaries are different. Burglaries often are residential or non-residential burglaries. They involve individuals going into a home or business without permission, and they can be prosecuted for burglary for a couple of different reasons. Firstly, because you went into the home to steal something and you did. You could also be charged for burglary for entering a home or a business with the intent to commit a felony. You could go into the home with the intent to assault someone or to commit a crime, which would be a burglary as well, even if you did not take anything from them. The difference between a robbery and armed robbery is whether the robbery was conducted with a weapon of some type. Did it involve forcibly taking someone's property from the person? That is the difference between theft, shoplifting, burglary, and robbery. Moving on to forgery and fraud crimes, they are also thefts of a kind. Taking the example of forgery, the most common thing seen is signing some type of check or document that allows someone to get a financial benefit from someone else. Fraudulent checks or signing some paperwork that turns over money or property to someone who is not the actual individual, that would be forgery and fraud. Then there is embezzlement, especially in small businesses. Employees that have access to payroll or money for the accounting in a small business can be charged with embezzlement or a fraud scheme if over time they are taking money from the business without permission or taking money from the petty cash without permission over a period of time. They could be charged with fraud scheme, which is essentially a pattern of theft or fraudulent behavior, and those are very serious felony offenses with potentially significant incarcerations. For a free phone consultation, contact Attorney Jared Allen in Phoenix, Arizona at 602-456-1982 or visit his website at www.jsazlaw.com.